Good evening, dear viewers. Welcome back to Eloquent English Enterprise. Thank you so much for being associated with me. So, a big warm welcome to all of you, including all of the new subscribers. So, I'll not take more of your time. It's going to be a very, very short presentation. Here is the screen which I'm going to share with you. And let's start off. Uh, of course, a very warm welcome once again. So here is the presentation today. A list of some common medical specialists, right? Sometimes we fall short of, our vocabulary when it comes to medical science. So here is a list of a few medical specialists. The first one, a pediatrician who generally treats and takes care of small children and adolescents. A dermatologist is a specialist in skin conditions, a cardiologist, a very well-known person. He or she focuses on the heart and circulatory system. They are almost like, all the doctors are like demigods. We have to sometimes really fall back upon them. So let's learn to respect them. A neurologist is a specialist in the nervous system. An anesthesiologist is the one who manages pain and provides anesthesia during a surgery. And an immunologist is the one who studies and takes care of our immune system, our immunity. The next one on the list is an endocrinologist who specializes in endocrine disorders, that is hormones. An ophthalmologist is an eye care specialist. An orthopedist is the one who takes care of the musculoskeletal system, or to speak in simple words, our bones. A radiologist, he or she uses imaging techniques to diagnose and treat diseases. Usually, they are the ones who conduct uh, our ultrasound and CT scan, etc. An oncologist focuses on the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of cancer. He or she is a cancer specialist. A gastroenterologist specializes in the digestive system. So all the digestive problems are taken care by a gastroenterologist. And the last one on my list today is a nephrologist who diagnoses and treats diseases and conditions affecting the kidneys. Another one is a urologist who also has almost a similar kind of a role to play. So that was all for today. Thank you so much for being with me on this short little travel trip. If you liked it, please do share it with others and share some positive comments with me. So I'll take leave from you today, and I hope you liked it. So I'll be back with another very short video with some more terminology to add to your vocabulary. Till then, it's me signing off. Bye bye. Take care. A very good night.